Hello and welcome to Matplotlib for Python developers. We're going to learn all about developing advanced Matplotlib plots. If you're just joining us for the first time, allow me to introduce myself. My name's Ben Keller. I'm a postdoctoral research fellow at the University of Heidelberg. I got my PhD in physics from McMaster University, studying the evolution of galaxies using numerical simulations. As a part of my research, I've had about 8 years of experience working with the scientific Python stack, so-called NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib ecosystem of Python tools. I'm a core developer for the YT project, a Python package that leverages Matplotlib to act as an analysis toolkit for astrophysical data, and I've contributed a few patches to Matplotlib itself as well. If you're interested in either my research or some of my side projects, you can find information about them on my website at www.project2501.ca. In this course, we're going to extend what we've learned in the first part of Matplotlib for Python developers. We're going to learn how to customize Matplotlib to make plots that really show your own individual style. We're going to learn how to draw on plots to provide the viewer with visual guides that point them towards the important features of data. We're going to learn about a few special purpose kinds of plots for either plotting non-Cartesian data or very specific kinds of data sets. We're then going to learn about 3D and geospatial plotting for plotting higher dimensional data, as well as data that lies on real physical coordinates within the Earth's surface. And we'll conclude this course with a discussion on interactivity, how to build Matplotlib plots that aren't just static images, but dynamic, updated figures that can change the way they're displayed based on the changes in real time to actual data in order to build apps using Matplotlib. In this course, between the first part and now, we're going to try and build up in you the ability to go from data to plot to insight in order to take raw numbers, raw information, turn that into a visualization that will allow you to build within yours or the viewer's mind actual bit of insight about how that data behaves. And in this part 2, we're really going to be focusing on the advanced tools for that second step of plotting so that you can really derive more subtle insights out of your data. The prerequisites for this course are the same as for part 1, plus the information that you would have learned in part 1. So that's a basic understanding of Python, the ability to use NumPy to work with array data. What we've learned in part 1 is a little bit of Matplotlib and some basic pandas as well. So if you already know Matplotlibs and pandas, perhaps you've worked with Jupyter as well, you can feel free to skip part 1. But if you're just starting out, I would recommend beginning at the very beginning of this course.